Well, hello friends and followers. Here's a cute little Pyramid 3 power supply again that I've been using to power the Flex radio over there, the 6400. Well, anyway, I was getting some voltage drop through this thing and about a volt would drop. So on the output here, if I'm cranked up to about 14 volts, I'll get about a volt output at about 20 amps, even like 18 amps. So I thought, okay. And I measured across these terminals and I got like, I think it was like 32 volts, 36 volts. And I would get like a 2 volt drop on these, which I thought, that's not so bad at 36 volts. Anyway, I got a pretty large drop when I measured across the raw rectified voltage where these capacitors are between these two pins. I think it's like 23 volts, about 23.5 volts when it's running with no load. And then at about 18, 20 amps load, I got about like 18 volts, 17 volts on there. So that's a real problem. And I thought, okay, so what does this thing depend on? It just wants, energy or power from the rectifier. Here's the rectifier here. So you take this apart and it's all on there by press lugs. And this one looked melted. So that's the problem probably, is this thing is not on tight enough. So I don't know. I might end up soldering this on here or soldering these on there. I don't know. You want to get some current through there. So I think that's the crux of my problem. I wouldn't mind taking this regulator board off and just making sure it's all copacetic. It's not very big. It looks pretty good. Take it off and solder it and stuff like that. Make sure it's good. It's probably okay though. So yeah, I think our main problem in the voltage drop is this lug here, which looks like it's had some heat. Whenever you see these boots all kind of distorted, that means there was heat. So that's what I'll end up fixing, okay? Then we'll try it again and see if it's any better with the Flex radio. I like this power supply. I thought about sending it back to the eBay seller, and I paid about $99 for it, and it's a lot of money, I guess, when you have no job. And I bought these capacitors. They were like 40 bucks, $49, 49 bucks for 8 of these. I ended up using 4 of them. I almost want to put in like one more capacitor to see if that'll calm this thing down. Anyway, let's fix this and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.